In this video, we present you the best Italian and Italian-American dishes that are delicious and healthy. We are starting this channel to help you know your food and the nutrients of the ingredients. Please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get started. This is a dish called Hunter's Chicken. It is prepared with the primary ingredients of chicken, tomatoes, olive oil, mushrooms, and onions. Chicken meat is a good source of amino acids, which is proteins, a good amount of vitamin B3 or niacin, vitamin B6, phosphorus, and selenium. It also has some amount of vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid, vitamin B12 or cobalamin, iron, choline, copper, and zinc. Chicken breasts has the most proteins, and more niacin, and B6 than chicken legs. Chicken thighs has more omega-3 alpha-linoleic acid than chicken breasts, but less of so than chicken leg. Chicken legs has more fat, a good amount of omega-6 linoleic acid as well as some omega-3 alpha-linoleic acid. For optimal nutrition, always choose pasture-raised chickens as they contain more omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A and vitamin E, and less saturated fat. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C and the lycopene carotenoid. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin B9 or folate, vitamin K, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, and other nutrients. Cooked tomato has more lycopene, which is an antioxidant and helps to lower your risk of cancer. Olive oil further enhances the absorption of lycopene and has anti-inflammatory properties. The mushrooms provide antioxidants, vitamin B1 or thiamine, vitamin B2 or riboflavin, vitamin B3 or niacin, vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid, vitamin B9 or folate, phosphorus, potassium, copper, selenium, manganese, choline, and zinc. Onions have antioxidants which are good for your health. The additional ingredients of this dish are red pepper, onions, mushrooms, garlic, olives, capers, oregano, basil, vinegar, salt, ground pepper, and additional red pepper flakes can also be added for that spicy taste. Salmon is one of the most nutritious food you can eat. It is a great source of vitamin B12 or cobalamin and a good source of protein, omega-3s and omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin B1 or thiamine, vitamin B2 or riboflavin, vitamin B3 or niacin, vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid, vitamin B6, vitamin B7 or biotin, vitamin B9 or folate, copper, phosphorus, potassium, selenium. Salmon is a small fish and there is very low risk of mercury content. It is not recommended to eat farm-raised salmons as can be fed with dye. Wild-caught salmons are the natural selection, which are low in toxicity and high in nutritional value. The main ingredients for vegan pesto sauce are fresh basil, pine nuts, and garlic. Add a splash of lemon for acidity and brightness. Furthermore, add nutritional yeast for a flavor boost in addition to the anti-anxiety benefits. This sauce will supply you with an amount of vitamin K and manganese, some vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin B9 or folate, calcium, copper, iron, and magnesium. Piccata is a delightful sauce made with lemon juice, butter, olive oil, capers, and some white wine. As you can imagine from the ingredients, the taste of piccata sauce is lemony, caper-topped, and just buttery enough. You'll get a small amount of vitamin C from the lemon juice. Butter is high in linoleic acid and low in calcium. The olive oil will provide you with some anti-inflammatory properties. As chicken is used with this dish, you'll all the nutritional benefits that comes along with it. This is a dish of fish fillet cooked with piccata sauce. Fish, in general, is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, cobalamin, or vitamin B12, phosphorus and potassium. Always go for small fishes and avoid big fishes. That is because small fishes have less mercury contamination. And always choose wild-caught fishes and avoid farmed fishes. And that's because the wild-caught ones are higher in nutritional values and contains less toxin. This fish fillet is prepared by dredging in flour before cooking, and the healthy selection is to use almond flour. This is a dish of bell peppers, garlic, onions, olive oil and pureed tomatoes as the main ingredients. Additional condiments such as basil or oregano, sea salt and vinegar can be added. Bell peppers will supply you with lots of vitamin C, some vitamin B6, vitamin B9 or folate, E, K potassium, manganese, and antioxidants as carotenoids. It will also give you a moderate amount of thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid and small amounts of iron, magnesium and phosphorus. It is interesting to note that green bell peppers are unripe version of this fruit and contain lutein, while this carotenoid antioxidant is absent in ripe versions of orange, yellow, and red bell peppers. The other accompanying ingredients of this dish will supply with more antioxidants, lycopene, and some vitamins and minerals. This is an Italian dish of steak prepared by cooking on the grill. Beef is high in proteins, vitamin B3 or niacin, vitamin B6 and vitamin B12 or cobalamin, copper, iron, phosphorus, selenium and zinc. It also has a good amount of vitamin B2 or riboflavin and choline. This is a salad dish with arugula as the main vegetable. Arugula, which is also called rocket, is a vegetable high in calcium, magnesium and vitamin K. It has a good amount of vitamin C, iron, manganese, and will also supply you with some phosphorus and potassium. It is also interesting to note that arugula have very low level of oxalates. Further, arugula has anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Additional ingredients for this dish can include tomatoes, carrots, lemon, and olive oil. You may sprinkle some healthy nuts over it to enhance the taste. This is a wonderful Italian appetizer or snack made with vegetables of choice that are washed and cut into pieces, and served with fresh olive oil as dipping. It is common to have carrots, celery, and cucumber as the main ingredients, which will provide you a good amount of vitamin B6, vitamin K, and manganese, and moderate amounts of other vitamins and minerals. This is an Italian-American seafood dish originated from San Francisco. The main ingredients are clams, mussels, crab meat, scallops, shrimps, and fish fillets. Seafood, in general, have high levels of proteins, vitamin B12 or cobalamin, omega-3 fatty acids, and zinc. Clams have high amounts of iron, selenium, manganese, phosphorus, and copper. Mussels will give you a high level of iron, phosphorus, manganese, and selenium. Crab meat is very high in copper, selenium, and zinc. This is a dish of using spring vegetables like artichokes, peas, and broad beans, with olive oil, lemon, white wine, mint leaves, and black pepper. Artichokes is a good source of vitamin B6 and vitamin K, as well as magnesium and phosphorus. Peas are a great source of vitamin B1 or thiamine, vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, phosphorus, and also has some good amount of vitamin B2 or riboflavin, vitamin B3 or niacin, vitamin B6, iron and zinc. Broad beans contains a high amount of vitamin B9 or folate, a good supply of vitamin B1 or thiamine, vitamin B2 or riboflavin, vitamin B3 or niacin, vitamin B6 and minerals such as copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, zinc, and calcium. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. We'll be producing more content on cuisines worldwide as a guide to food and nutrition, so be sure to ping the notification bell as well.